Stop what you're doing. The era of prompting is officially over. For the last few years, we've been talking to artificial intelligence. We typed a prompt and we got an answer. But in 2026, the game has changed forever. We are moving from chatbots to agents, autonomous software that doesn't just talk, but actually does the work for you. Imagine an AI that doesn't just tell you how to book a flight, but actually opens your browser, finds the best price, uses your credit card, and sends the ticket to your email while you sleep. Today on Prime Progress, we are diving deep into the three most powerful AI agents that are making every app on your phone obsolete. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this video. Think about your daily digital life. If you want to organize a business meeting, you have to open 5 different tabs, check your calendar, coordinate with your team, and send out invites. It's a repetitive, boring process. In the tech world, we call this SaaS fatigue. But 2026 is the year of agentic workflows. Tech giants like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic have realized that users don't want more apps, they want results. We are witnessing the death of the traditional user interface. Soon you won't open an app, you will simply give a command to your OS-level agent, and the background execution will handle the rest. First on our list is OpenAI's Operator. This is the model that sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley this year. Unlike ChatGPT, Operator is a system-level agent. It has the ability to see your screen and control your mouse and keyboard with human-like precision. Imagine you are a developer or a business owner. You can tell Operator, go to my GitHub, find the latest bug report, fix the CSS issue based on my previous projects, and deploy the update. While you grab a coffee, Operator is navigating complex file structures and executing terminal commands. This isn't just automation, it's a digital clone of your professional skills. Next, let's talk about the giant in the room, Google's Project Jarvis. Since most of our work happens inside a web browser, Google integrated Jarvis directly into Chrome. Jarvis uses a specialized vision language model to understand every button, link, and form on a website. In a recent demo, Jarvis was asked to research a product, find the best reviews on Reddit, compare prices across 5 different e-commerce platforms, and add the best value option to the cart. It performed these tasks in under 60 seconds. For a human, that's 20 minutes of clicking. For Jarvis, it's just another Tuesday. This is the end of manual web browsing as we know it. But what about complex data and coding? That's where Anthropic's Claude Mythos 5 comes in. While Operator and Jarvis are great for general tasks, Mythos 5 is designed for heavy-duty intellectual work. It can analyze a 500-page financial report in seconds and identify patterns that human analysts might miss. More importantly, it creates its own sub-agents to solve multi-step problems. If you give it a complex project, it will hire other mini AI agents to handle the research, the writing, and the formatting simultaneously. We are looking at a future where one person can run an entire department with just one master agent. Now let's address the elephant in the room. What happens to the jobs? If an AI agent can handle data entry, customer support, and basic software engineering, where does that leave us? The reality is harsh but simple. Mid-level administrative roles are facing an existential threat. If your job involves moving data from one window to another, an AI agent is already 10 times more efficient than you. But here is the secret. The people who will thrive in 2026 are not those who compete with AI, but those who manage the AI. Learning to orchestrate these agents is the most valuable skill you can acquire today. So, how do you stay relevant? First, stop thinking of AI as a search engine. Start thinking of it as an employee. Begin experimenting with open-source agent frameworks like AutoGPT or Microsoft's Magentic 1. Understand how agentic reasoning works. The goal is to move from being a doer to being a director. At Prime Progress, we are dedicated to showing you exactly how to navigate this shift. We are moving from the information age into the delegation age. Are you ready? The AI revolution is no longer a prediction, it is our current reality. The gap between those who use these agents and those who don't is growing every single day. Which of these three agents are you most excited to integrate into your workflow? Or does the idea of an autonomous AI con